Hello everyone, welcome back. And first of all, let me thank you for such a great response to our earlier video. It really keeps us motivated to share such content with you. So guys, today I thought why not to talk something related to Dashera. Dashera is approaching. So your parents, your family members, or you guys yourself would have been thinking to invest in gold. So every year, probably you must be going to the nearest jeweler and you might be buying gold coins or certain type of jewelry, being a tradition in India to buy gold at the time of Dashera. So today I thought let's discuss something with you, let's share something with you that rather than buying gold in physical form, is there any alternate which is available? Have you guys even thought about it? And what if I tell you that that alternate is related to mutual funds? Now, most of you guys will be already well versed with what is mutual funds, or some of you guys will be already investing in mutual funds. So, if you want to discuss more about mutual funds, what it is, then of course, we'll be sharing a separate video about what is mutual fund for all the beginners who are trying to or who are thinking to invest. So basically, let's see whether there is any alternate to physical gold. So basically, as far as alternate to gold is concerned, I wanted to share two specific options with you. Now, these are more or less similar options. The first one is gold ETFs. So it's typically called as gold exchange traded funds. And the second option, which is available, is gold mutual funds. Now, you guys will say, what is this ETF? Now, so basically, gold ETFs and gold mutual funds are one and the same. So we can say they are more or less similar. Gold ETFs are basically traded on most of the stock exchange, and gold mutual funds are something which are easily available and which are launched by most of the asset management companies. So basically mutual fund companies. So since gold mutual fund is quite a convenient option, so today we'll be discussing more about gold mutual funds and how they can act as an alternate to invest instead of physical gold. So guys, basically gold mutual funds are nothing but it's like you invest a certain portion of money into this specific fund, and this fund is managed by a specific asset management company, so basically mutual fund companies. And what they do is that rather than investing in actual physical gold, they invest that money which you have invested in their fund in gold exchange traded funds. So in gold ETFs they invest. And what gold ETFs do is basically they invest that money into actual physical gold. So basically, gold mutual funds is nothing but your money which you have invested, or rather which you have given to that mutual fund company. They'll be compiling, they'll be making a pool of all that money which you have invested, and that money will be ultimately invested in ETFs. So now you will say how the price of this investment will increase. So guys, it's very simple. Since gold ETFs invest in physical gold, the way the price of gold actually increases, the value of units, the mutual fund units which you purchase, it proportionately increases as per the price of physical gold. So, investing in physical gold and investing in gold mutual funds will give you more or less same returns, because performance of gold mutual funds is dependent on the value of physical gold in actual market. So basically it's that easy. That's why I feel that for rather than buying physical gold, the another option which you can select is gold mutual funds. Now let's try to understand what are the advantages of gold mutual funds. Means why we should prefer, or what are the advantages of investing in gold mutual funds over physical gold. So I'll explain just few of the most important advantages with you. The first one is that there is no worry of where to store gold. So, when you buy a gold jewelry or when you buy gold coins, so basically when you buy gold in physical form, the biggest worry is how to safeguard it. So most of you guys might be, keeping it in your lockers, or you might be keeping it in your bank lockers, and always there will be a worry, there will be a concern that whether it is safe or not. Whereas in gold mutual funds, the moment you invest your money, you don't actually carry gold. So, as such, you are completely stress free from that concern that where to save your gold, where to save physical gold. So, that is the first advantage. The second one is related to purity of gold. So, basically, when you buy physical gold, you buy it from any of the local jewelers or your regular jewelers from whom you buy your jewelry. Now, most of the times there is a concern of purity of gold. You don't know whether that specific jeweler has given you gold of actual 99.5% purity or not. But whereas when you give your money to a gold mutual fund, the gold mutual fund company will invest your money only in 99.5% pure gold. So as far as purity of gold is concerned, it's 100% assured that it's gonna be of this quality. The third thing is that when you go to a jeweler and decide to buy gold in physical form, you will have to buy at least 1 gram of gold. The gold coins are usually available from 1 gram. So if you say that you want to buy a 1 gram of gold from a jeweler, probably you will have to invest at least 4 to 5,000 rupees considering the gold prices. Whereas when it comes to gold mutual funds, you can invest as low as 500 rupees. Because ultimately the small portions of money which has been invested by you in a mutual fund company, it gets accumulated in a mutual fund, and that money is afterwards invested by that mutual fund company into gold ETFs. So that's why everyone can easily afford to invest their money as low as 500 rupees in gold mutual funds. And the another and the most important thing is about liquidity. The moment you invest in gold mutual funds, any point of time you are in need of funds, it's quite easier to just redeem your mutual funds and get that money in your bank accounts. It's easily possible at a click of a button, just sitting at your home. Whereas when it comes to physical gold, you will have to actually carry that gold to a jeweler and then resell your gold. So these are four important factors because of which you can technically decide that gold mutual funds can be an alternate to physical gold. Now, which one should you select? Now, you guys might think, should I go for a physical gold or should I go for gold mutual funds? Now, guys, it's very simple that you need to understand what is the purpose. As especially in India, considering our culture and tradition, few of the people have emotional attachment towards gold or gold ornaments, or few of the people invest in gold considering weddings for their kids and all other rituals. So if your intention is to actually make jewelry out of your gold investment, then it's better to go for physical gold. However, if you are clearly thinking about this investment as an investment, you are planning to do some investment in gold, then rather than carrying the risk of safeguarding your physical gold, considering the earlier advantages, it is always better for you to get into gold mutual funds. So basically you need to understand what's your purpose. If you want to make jewelry out of it, or you have some emotional attachment or liking for actual physical gold, then of course physical gold is the option for you. But if you are looking at it from an investment perspective, then I believe that gold mutual fund is a better option. So guys, this is it. I thought that this will give you an alternate to an traditional form of gold investments. So this Dussehra, while investing in gold, just think about this alternate, and probably you can go for gold mutual funds. And just to give you an idea, I'll be sharing few of the names of some of the gold mutual fund schemes. Now, these are not the only schemes, but these are certain schemes which are easily available. Apart from this, almost most of the mutual fund companies, asset management companies have their own gold funds. So these are just illustrative names. So HDFC Gold ETF fund is there, ICICI Prudential Gold ETF fund is there, SBI ETF Gold fund is there. So you guys can think, you guys can clearly observe that almost most of the AMC companies are having gold funds. So guys, stay tuned for such content in future. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for such content in future as well. And last but not the least, please share your feedback and your comments in below comment section. If any of you guys have any queries, I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. Thank you so much. Thank you.